Good morning, guys. It's Madison from 98 Destin. I'm here today in Crystal Beach in Destin, Florida, and I'm going to take you guys on a beach walk this morning. Before we get started, I did want to tell you guys about the link in the description of this live video. It's to Bliss Beach Rentals, and they have a ton of different condos and vacation homes in the area to check out. If you're planning a trip to Destin soon, I highly recommend checking out that link and booking your stay directly through Bliss Beach Rentals. So check that out, and we'll just get to the beach walk. If you have any questions about Destin and stuff, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I will do my best to answer it. Where am I today? I am at Crystal Beach in Destin, Florida. Right now there's still a double red flag, but I'm guessing they haven't gotten to it yet. So I'm not sure what it's going to end up being today, just 'cause it's so early. I don't know if they've changed it from yesterday yet. Have we been getting a lot of storms? It has been raining a lot over the weekend. As the water started clearing up after the rain, it looks like it's actually pretty clear. It'll probably take a little longer to be super clear, but it looks pretty clear right now. One thing to keep in mind is that it's also pretty early in the morning, so the sun isn't directly over the water, which makes it look a little less blue. If you're wondering why it's not like aqua at the moment, it's just because like the way the light is hitting it. It looks really clear actually when I'm looking down at the water. So I'm guessing it will be really beautiful this afternoon. What flags are up? There's a double red flag right now, but I don't know if they've gotten to assess yet today and like change it, so I don't know if it's gonna be a double red flag all day or if it's just left over from last night. Why are the flags red today? I think they're only red right now because they're left over from yesterday. I don't think they've changed them yet. If I had to guess what it'll be once they change them, it'd be like yellow probably. But I'm not sure about like rip current conditions and stuff, so maybe it still will be red. I'm not sure. But the waves look really calm today. weather over the weekend. So my Fitbit only lets me see out till Friday. So Friday looks nice. It's going to be 84 degrees with only a 6% chance of rain. But I can't see beyond Friday on my watch. Can you use a metal detector on the beach? Yes, you can use a metal detector on the beach. Do I have a bathing suit on? No, I'm actually going into the office after this, so I'm wearing business casual clothes. Unfortunately, I wish I could go swimming right now. Although it actually feels a little chilly this morning after all the rain and stuff. It's like 75 degrees and it's a little breezy. Another question about flags. There's a double red flag at this beach access right here, but I'm going to say it again. I really don't think that's updated yet today, so we'll have to see what it is this afternoon. But at the moment, there's still a double red flag up, but it doesn't look like it's double red flag conditions. Are the red flags still out? Yes, they are, but I think they haven't changed them yet. Someone asked when it's supposed to rain again. So there's just a 25% chance of rain today, and then there is a 6% chance of rain tomorrow, a 5% chance of rain Thursday, and a 6% chance of rain on Friday. So it looks like we might be in the clear. If we get past today without rain, there's only a 25% chance. Another question about the flags. Right now they're still double red, but I think that that's because they haven't changed them yet, so we'll have to see what they are later in the afternoon. I'll try to get another beach walk done today, and I'll get you an update on the flags in the afternoon. Temperature today is 75 degrees this morning, and then there's a high of 86 in the afternoon. How many steps am I at? I'm at 2,341. Is the June grass still bad? It's really not very bad. I don't really see any actually in the water. What beach is this? This is Crystal Beach in Destin, Florida. Is this a public or a private beach? This is a public beach. Well, I guess further up it'd be private, but the shoreline is always public. I came in on a public beach access, but all beaches in Destin are public, but not all the accesses are. First time on the beach, wondering if you can bring a cooler. Yes, you can bring a cooler. I'm not positive about smoking because I know that they're very strict about like throwing cigarette butts, so I'm not positive. I don't smoke, so I've never looked into it. Someone said, why does the sand look so brown? I think it's just because it's early in the morning and so the sun is hitting it. Also, there was like a high tide yesterday, so the sand that we're walking on right now is still pretty wet. It's whiter over there when it's not wet. Do I think it'll be a red flag again today? I'm not really sure about rip current conditions. I'm not really good at deciphering what those are, but I can see by the waves they look a lot calmer than they have in the past few days. So I think maybe it'll just be like a yellow flag. But right now it's still a double red flag, but I think they just haven't changed it yet. Yeah, no one's in the water right now because there's still a double red flag up, so the beach is still technically closed, or like the water's technically still closed to the public until they change it, so that's why there's not really anyone in the water. But they'll probably change that soon, I'm thinking, because it doesn't look like it'll be double red flag. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'll try to do another live again later this afternoon, and I will let you guys know what they make the flag for today. Alright guys, so that's all for this morning. Thank you so much for watching this live. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Bliss Beach Rentals if you are planning a trip to Destin soon. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye!